Welcome everybody. It's time for a new Lisianthus design with a new designer. We've got the most wonderful Marian Holmen here. So let's find out more what we're going to make, and let's find out more about Mariann as well.
Yeah, thank you for having me.
Thank you for coming. I'm really looking forward to what we're going to make and
Yeah.
to know more about you.
More about Scandinavian touch of making a bouquet.
Yeah.
Yeah. As you said, Marian Holmen from Norway, work as a freelance all over the world,
Wow.
doing a lot of different kind of work. Yeah,
Nice.
mostly corporate
Yeah.
and events, weddings. Yeah, and I'm here as well.
So you're all over the world.
Yeah.
And now online as well.
Yeah.
So tell me, we've got the Lisianthus, we've
Yeah.
got some other greens as well.
Yeah.
So it already looks a little bit Scandinavian to me.
Yeah.
With all the grasses and everything.
Yeah, I like to have one or two flowers inside and mix it up with greenery. So in this bouquet, the Lisianthus will be the main flowers, and it will be a high standing bouquet. So you can start with the steel grass.
Yeah, it's Flexigrass, by the way.
Yeah, I just joking. I just testing your knowledge.
Ah, okay.
Okay, one more take.
Go on. That's nice.
So we got beautiful steel grass.
Actually, it's Flexigrass.
Actually, it's Flexigrass, as you can see.
And you know the difference?
Yeah, I know.
This one is round, the other one is
It's
triangle.
yeah, or what's the name? Hard edges. Edges.
Yep.
Yeah.
And this one is from Australia, and the other one as well.
Oh, really?
It's not from New Zealand, one of these two.
Nope.
Okay. So much for all your knowledge, John.
Yep.
Can we please move on?
Yeah.
So we start with
Yeah.
the Flexigrass.
I will take half of the bundle away just so I can mix it in if I need something more.
Yeah.
But I will use all of the stem, and it will be a parallel bouquet. So
I will just try to follow you.
yeah,
So
make sure that you're having a grass everywhere around. So you have
Okay.
to put the Lisianthus in
in the middle of the grass.
both sides as well.
Okay. So when did the interest in flowers start?
When I was a little girl,
Yeah.
yeah, my mother and my grandmother, they are really into flowers. Both of them have really big gardens.
Yeah.
So I think it started with that. My grandmother was really into flowers and have this big folder of different kind of flowers, tree. Yeah. So, and also my father, he was really into flowers as well, but more into the creative side.
Yeah.
So I think I learned that from him, just to see the beauty in the nature and be creative. Yeah.
I mean, people in Norway are in the middle of the nature all the time.
Yeah.
It seems like that for us.
Yeah, you have more fields, but fields of beautiful flowers.
So the interest started with your parents,
Yeah,
and
I
then
think so. Yeah.
how did you become a florist? Was there a floral school or?
School, yeah.
Yeah.
In Norway, you have to go to the university, and then you have to pick which direction you want to go. And then
Yeah.
I picked up flowers. So it was 1 year in the floristry school, and then I was in a shop learning more. Yeah.
Okay. And then you became a freelancer directly after, or?
No, I work in the different kind of florist shops, into Floral, some franchise shops, and then I decided that I really wanted to do something on my own.
Yeah.
I was starting to. I was a manager in a shop, and I was using all of my free time, holidays, to do overseas work. And then I figured out that I needed some change. I wanted to work and show people more of what the world can offer in flowers, and not only the bundle of basic stuff, just showing that you can also have other kind of flowers.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
And work more creatively, and together with people that are having the same interests as me.
And you already said in the beginning that we work only, or you work normally only with 1 or 2 flowers. Is that something typically for Norway?
Not necessary, I think, but it depends which type of style you have, of course, and then it's also about which kind of shop you're working in, which style they have. But I mainly love to work with. I like to show off the character of the flower. That's the reason why I will work with only 1 or 2, 3. I also do some work with more, but I prefer to work with less variety. Yeah.
And in Norway, is there a special flower holiday next to Mother's Day, Valentine's?
No, you have mainly Valentine, Mother's Day, and then you have Christmas.
Yeah.
And also you have Easter.
Yeah.
But that's not so popular as Christmas.
Okay. And Christmas is the traditional colors, or do you go with different colors there as well?
I prefer to go with some other colors, white.
Yeah.
That's tradition, I think, but mostly red. But I prefer darker red, something that's not the common red flower. Yeah. Or a peach with gold, white, stuff like that. Yeah.
Wow, nice.
Yeah, I think so. Just to have something different to offer the clients.
And is there anything else that makes the floristry in Norway stand out, except for you, of course?
Thank you. The respect of the flower.
Yeah.
We don't. We have a really we have a respect for every single flower that we put in.
Yeah.
Just to show off the character of the flowers, and also it's expensive, so we don't want to use unnecessary flowers.
Yeah. Because I understand there's a tax on flowers, right? From imported flowers.
Yeah. It's depending on which type of flowers.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But just to give us an idea on Lisianthus from Holland?
It's depending, but it can be 30 to, it's really high tax on every flowers.
Okay.
Yeah. I don't think Lisianthus is the worst one. You have other flowers that are quite worse. Yeah, you have. So but it's expensive.
Yeah.
So that's why we will show them the respect they
deserve.
Yeah, they deserve.
Okay, nice.
Yeah.
And you already said you're using Lisianthus. Are there any typical varieties or colors that you use most?
I prefer to use white or yellow or clean colors.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's
So
my
the
favorite.
color I chose, the bicolored ones, it's not something you see often, or?
Some shops, I think it's more about which type of shop and how they present themselves.
Yeah.
Me, I like it more white or clean, not the double one.
Yeah.
I think they're really beautiful. Maybe for our wedding or yeah. So
Oh, nice.
yeah.
So many different colors all over Norway. You prefer the clean colors?
Yeah. My favorite are when I can work with one color and
Yeah.
build that out. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So it's time to
Do you want also to have some
wire.
wire or
Yeah. Or the
do you need some help?
yeah. With the whole bouquet, but now
No, I think you did a really good job.
thank you very much. But you were showing it, so I just copied you and
Yeah.
tried to make the best out of it.
Yeah.
So, do you have any plans or dreams as a florist? Floral dreams?
Just to travel around the world,
Yeah.
meet people, work with different people,
Yeah.
culture, flowers. Yeah.
Okay. And during the travels, is it where you get your inspiration from as well?
Yeah, it is. And by nature.
Okay.
Yeah.
Great. Thank you so much, Mariann.
Thank you
It
as well. Yeah, it
really
was nice.
to learn more about you
Yeah.
and to make a Norwegian style bouquet.
Yeah, I think we did a really good job. Yeah.
I think we did.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you everybody for watching. Hope to see you soon again for a new episode. Bye bye.
Bye.
And don't forget to like and subscribe, of course.